Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is pre-colonoscopy day, 24 hours before. The instructions say clear liquids since last night. So anything without dye. Well, there's not much out there you can drink that doesn't have dye in it. So I'm sticking to apple juice and grape juice, probably some Jello tonight. Right now, I haven't had anything. It's just going to be strictly liquids all day until tomorrow. I got to call here in a few minutes and find out exactly when my procedure is going to be. This is step one. Stay tuned. All right. Well, I left work at 1:30 because they want me to start drinking that flush, is what I want to call it, by 3 o'clock. So I got to go get it, and I just got to mix it up, wait an hour for it to settle, and then go ahead and drink it at 3. So I gotta go to pharmacy and pick it up. Okay, I'm done at the pharmacy, and they actually give you a jug, and it is a subscription, and it's called Gavilite G, and they give you the whole bottle, or the whole gallon. So I gotta fill this up, and I guess you gotta drink so much every 5 minutes till it's all gone. And from the suggestion of everybody I've talked to, I went ahead and bought some disposable adult diapers. I guess that's going to be my advice. And I got the small petite, good to 32-inch waist, which is good for me. But I got confused because I was thinking it had something to do with the amount of liquid it held, because each one, the bigger the diaper, the more it holds. But it actually does have the size, extra small, and it goes by the waist. So totally up to you, but from what people telling me, it's a good idea. So next is filling that up, and I'm going to start drinking it. Okay, so wife got me some pure, or somewhat, what they consider pure water.
There's your desitin.
And desitin, extra strength. What's that for?
For you to...
Oh yeah.
Before you... Because it'll...
Extra strength. Diaper rash paste. Okay. Okay. And then Huggies. We're going all out on this, people.
Well, you know what? You can go ahead and laugh, but I went through this with Mom.
Because I don't want to... Yeah, she went through with her mom, so... But
I know what happened.
okay.
I don't want that for you because you're already bitching because you're hungry.
No, yeah, of course.
You're going to be less miserable if you're not injured as well.
And I've already got diarrhea, so...
Well, put some of that ointment on and put on a diaper. And go to bed.
And go to bed.
Because I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, right. I'm going to go to bed. I'm not going to no bed. All right, let's see what the information is on this thing here and get this mixed. Yeah, I'm on my blog. And this is video on getting a colonoscopy. And I got I gotta mix up the batch of cleaning solution. Can't eat anything solid for till it more than 24 hours basically, because I haven't eaten anything solid since last night at 7 o'clock when we had our normal dinner. So this morning it's just been water, and now I'm gonna go on and take that stuff. Let's take it at 3 o'clock. So all you can have is basically clear liquids. Can't have any dyes in it. Reds, blues, purples. If it's got dye in it, you can't have it. So, not really. What happened to... So you're basically following me on my journey. I went ahead and bought some adult diapers because they're saying that's a good idea. And then the other side of it is, if you feel the urge, you gotta go. Get close to a toilet. Can't have any snacks. I'm starving basically right now. Not really, but you know. Alright, I'll get that uploaded, so here we go. My wife graciously got me a gallon of what we call pure water. And here's the mix. It's called Gavel Light. Gavi Light. Okay. Gavi Light G. And they give you a flavor pack to go with it. Lemon. Stick there. What is that? Okay. Not for direct dispersing to the patient. Please premix with an electric powder for one solution before dispensing. Use only in combination with the accompanying container. Okay. Okay. Well, it's so nicely got. Again, they don't want you having anything that's got dyes in it. Okay, so what else is the directions say? Jesus, I got my glasses on. I got my glasses on, but I bought these little portable ones here. Right on my nose. So let's see what else this thing says. Let's see. After kept in container, shake vigorously several times. Instruct patient to consume water or clear liquids during and after bowel preparation up until 2 hours before the colonoscopy. Adults drink at a rate of 240 milliliters or 8 ounces every 10 minutes until 4 liters are consumed or rectal efficient is clear. Dosage forms and strengths for anal solutions, so on and so on. I don't know. Okay. Dosage and administration. GC is supplied as a powder. Must be reconstituted with water before it is used. On day prior to colonoscopy, instruct patient to eat a light breakfast or have clear liquids. Avoid red and purple liquids. Early in the evening prior to colonoscopy, fill container containing G&G powder with lukewarm water to 4 liters. After capping container, shake vigorously several times. Instruct patient to consume water or clear liquids during and after bowel preparation up until 2 hours before time of colonoscopy. Huh. I don't know why they say go ahead and do it the day before, because it actually says on day prior to colonoscopy, instruct patient to eat a light breakfast or have clear liquids. Avoid red and purple liquids. Purple liquids. Early in the evening, prior to, fill container containing powder, lukewarm water to 4 liters. After capping, avoid vigorous. Okay, but my instructions say to take it at 3 o'clock, and we are 2:27 right now. Okay, so let's see. Fill the top of the line of the bottle right here. Mix information is on this label, package insert for dispensing closed medication. When reconstitute with water to a volume of 4 liters, the solution contains so and so. Okay, this preparation can be used with or without the lemon flavor pack. Pharmacists will add the lemon flavor pack prior to dispensing. Add lukewarm water